So here we have the Flow Tool Super Quick Fill Funnel. Now a funnel's a funnel, right? Well, not really, because this one has a little bit higher lip on one end that makes it designed to prevent fuel spills. And anytime you could keep the fluids going where they need to go, that's a good thing. Also has an extra wide neck so that your pouring could be high flow, making it drain faster than 8-inch standard funnel. So this is easy to use, it's compact, it's durable. I keep this in the trunk of the car, and it's great for everything for oil changes, putting all kinds of fluids in the car, radiator fluid, power steering fluid. This I used to fill up my lawnmower with gas, and the extra lip keeps the gas from splashing. It's a great funnel. Pick it up. As a matter of fact, pick up 2 or 3. If you need more information, there's a link in the description. And if you make a purchase, I'll make a small commission. And I'd like to thank you for watching and supporting the channel. It really helps me out. Thanks.